Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the world of tower fans, the Lasko Oscillating High-Velocity Tower Fan. If you're on the hunt for the best cooling solution that combines power and efficiency, you're in the right place. First off, why do we consider the Lasko High-Velocity Tower Fan the best in its class? Well, it's all about that perfect blend of form and function. This tower fan isn't just about keeping you cool, it's about doing so effectively and efficiently. Whether you're in a spacious garage, a cozy bedroom, or even a bustling home gym, the Lasko Tower Fan boasts 25% more air velocity than traditional tower fans. That means you get a powerful breeze exactly where you need it, thanks to its high-powered motor and thoughtful design. Standing at 35 inches tall, this tower fan features a sleek, vertical design that optimizes floor space. It's perfect for places where bulky fans just won't do. It offers 3 adjustable speeds, ensuring you can customize your cooling experience. Plus, with its widespread oscillation feature and a handy remote control, adjusting settings from across the room is a breeze, pun intended. And let's not forget the automatic timer, which can be set from 1 to 7 hours. No more worrying about leaving it on overnight or during a busy day. What does all this mean for you? Well, it translates into not just comfort but also convenience. Whether you're working out, relaxing, or even catching some Z's, the Lasko Tower Fan ensures you stay cool without compromising on style. Plus, it's backed by over 100 years of Lasko's commitment to quality. That's right, this isn't just any fan. It's a trusted companion for all your cooling needs. So, there you have it, folks, the Lasko Oscillating High-Velocity Tower Fan, your ultimate cooling solution. With its blend of power, efficiency, and sleek design, it's no wonder why this fan stands out in the crowd. If you're ready to take your cooling game to the next level, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Lasko Tower Fan today. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique. Stay cool.